my name is ZeBirdBrain and today we are talking about drawing in Harmony. So did you ever have so many layers that you had trouble focusing on one? Or did you ever want to bypass a bunch of rig bullshit like cutters and stuff that makes it hard to see what your drawing actually is? And did you ever wonder what this is? Well, this is the answer to all your problem that I just mentioned. So if you ever have a lot of layers or that you want to focus on one in particular, this tool called the Current Drawing on Top tool is very useful. So to use it, however, you need to have a drawing tool selected. Now, what is a drawing tool? Is most of the time it's anything but the transform tool. You have the select tool, the contour editor tool, the brush, and everything that kind of allows you to manipulate artwork is a drawing tool. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my select tool, and then I'm going to choose my current drawing on top tool, and you're gonna see that it changes the way I see the drawing. But to me, it's still not enough. So I always use the current drawing on top partnering with the light table. So the light table is the tool that allows you to, focus on one layer at a time. But still, at the moment, I like this layer is still affected by all the other layers of my rig and the cutters and whatnot. So by clicking on the current drawing on top tool, when I click on this, it's going to show me my drawing here, and it's going to bypass deformer, cutters, layer sandwiches and stuff, and it's going to really show you what your drawing is. Almost kind of exactly like the drawing view. So when I click on the drawing view, I see my drawing without any peg motion, any deformation. I just see the drawing on its own. And in the drawing view, if I go here, I have the option to preview all art layers. So if I click it, I'm going to see all my art layers. And of course, if I don't click it, I only see one level, or layers as sometimes they're called. So if I click here, I see all my art levels or layers. And if I re-click again, I'm going to see only one. And you can see here with the letters, it's pretty clear. Only your line art, all of them. Okay, so this is the drawing view. It is very useful, but the problem is that you really isolate your drawing, like very isolated. You don't see anything else. And sometimes you kind of need to see your drawings in relation to others, but still isolated, which is why the camera view and the show current drawing on top is very useful. So into the drawing view, I have light table active. Remember, if you want to edit your light table, you can go into like the top light here. It's going to allow you to adjust your light table options, just like how much things are washed out, like this. But yeah, so it allows you to see your drawing isolated while still seeing the rest of your scene, which is great. So into the camera view, if you have the show current drawing on top activated, you have access to the preview all art layers or art level button. And just like in the drawing view, if it's active, you see all the art levels. If it's not active, you only see one at a time, which is very useful when you're trying to rig and you want to focus on one art level or layer that you're using. Like, oh, I want to see if my mask is right. Because if your mask is like this, then maybe that's why your thing is not working, right? So that's how you see it. It will basically take your drawing and put it on top of everything, allow you to work with it, and then if you press on the tool again, it's going to go back in place. So light table and show current drawing on top are very useful for many different things. For rigs, like I said, it allows you to isolate your piece and focus on the different layers that you might have used. And if you use it for a hand-drawn animation, it just allows you to, isolate your layers from the others, which is also very useful. So yeah, pretty short video today, but I just wanted to introduce you guys to this tool because a lot of people either don't know it exists or are completely confused and dumbfounded by how to use it. So I thought I'd make a little easy tutorial for this week. And I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again next week. Goodbye!